Hi, this is Shari, and today I'm going to be talking to you about me customizing my own wig caps and wigs also. And basically what I'm doing is just attaching some netting to an elastic band. Now I'm just getting ready to sew the netting, along the edge of the band, and you'll see me back stitching it. And that's to make sure that it's secure. And then when I'm done, I just go back in and just remove the extra lace that's on there. I folded it back, and then I sewed it down. I've only been using this sewing machine for about a month. I still got a lot of work to do with it. I'm still learning. And basically, as you can see now, I'm just trying to sew the tracks onto this customized cap that I've made. This is my first time making this type of cap. And right here, all that I'm doing is taking the machine kind of like apart because I had some thread get caught up under the plate. So just keep in mind that if you're ever using a sewing machine, whether it's for sewing anything, you're going to have to sit in the machine and try to figure it out. You can check some videos online to figure out things like I had to do. I took a class from craftsy.com, and they basically showed you the ins and outs of, it's a free class. They show you the ins and outs of how to use a sewing machine, and that's basically how I learned, from watching YouTube videos and watching the videos on craftsy.com. So at the end of this video, you will see me taking the seam ripper to take some thread out because I kind of misplaced the track. And then I'll be showing you some videos of some wigs that I have made. So enjoy the photos and make sure that you visit my blog, customizedwigsbyshari.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.